Upload an inspection and get professional pre-written response language for every finding. Perfect, accurate response language every time. With a simple click, you instruct the program to include an item in your inspection response. No more handwritten lists, no more post-it notes, no more red pens. Come across a finding you are unfamiliar about? In one click, you become the expert.
No idea what a repair might cost?
Just a click and you get both a cost range for both a professional fix or a do-it-yourself job. Oftentimes, the first step is to triage a report into items to ask the seller to fix and other items your client may need to address soon after closing or to put on a future to-do list. Inspectionresponse.com makes that pre-formal response client communication easy. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Draft contractor quote emails in seconds. All findings in your report can be grouped by repair professional. With this, you can generate an email to specific contractors with a list of items to quote in a flash. Every finding in your report is intelligently categorized by severity. This categorization makes for efficient filtering of all findings in the report. Need to quickly zoom to a finding? Just click on the page number and instantly be taken to that page in the report. The hardest part of an inspection isn't finding the problems, it's deciding what to do about them. Now, you have a strategic partner. Click Generate Recommendations and give the AI the context of your deal, like the market conditions and your buyer's profile. In seconds, the AI acts as your veteran agent co-pilot, analyzing every finding. It recommends a strategic priority for each item and, more importantly, gives you the justification why. You're always in control. You can review and apply each recommendation individually, or, with a single click, apply the AI's entire strategy to your report, turning hours of deliberation into seconds of confirmation. Once your repair list is finalized in Inspectionresponse.com, the final step is getting it into your state's official form. Simply click Copy Text to copy your entire, perfectly formatted repair list to your clipboard. Next, navigate to your state's form and paste the text directly into the appropriate field. Don't worry about character limits. Most modern form platforms will automatically handle the overflow text, creating a clean, professional addendum without any extra work from you. Inspectionresponse.com works seamlessly with any platform you use. This is how AI is meant to be used. Inspectionresponse.com, your first 2 reports are free.